everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm going to do a pour. I'm just going to kind of do a dirty cup and then just kind of, I don't know if you call it a ribbon pour or just, I'm just going to kind of put it around and just kind of, we'll see what happens. But the only colors I'm going to use is white, black, and silver. So I'm using Amsterdam's Oxide black and Decoart's metallic soft silver. And I'm just going to layer the cup up. I'm going to start off with some black. I want to still have some negative space, so that, and then actually I think I'm going to put a little bit of white in here too. A little black and some silver, and some black. And some silver, and then I'm going to put a little white in. And then I think that's actually plenty, because I want to have some negative space. So all right, let me see. I see a few little, I see some air bubbles here. But I do thank everybody for joining me today. I appreciate you guys watching and supporting my channel. I'm getting closer and closer to that 1,000. If possible, if you could watch the whole video and help me get my hours up, because you have to have so many watch hours in order to get monetized. And I'm getting closer, so I just want to make sure that I have enough when I get there. But I do thank you guys so much for your support. It means so much to me. I'm slowly getting up there, but I'm getting there, so I do appreciate you guys. All right, here we go. So we're just gonna kind of pour it on here. All right, let's torch this a little bit. Look at those cells, oh my goodness. Oops, I think I see. Okay, here we go. Look at those cells, are amazing. I left my bracelet on and I dipped my bracelet right into the to the paint on the table. I thought I seen. These cells are awesome. I love these ones here. They're so funky and cool. Look at these. Wow. Love it. I think I have a goob. I like this. I like it a lot. I think it's beautiful. Should we get our air bubbles? I don't want no little white polka dots popping up at the end when it dries. I have a lot of air bubbles because I just mixed the white up. Well, I had it in my container, but I just shook it real good when before I poured it. So little hair. Look at how that pulls up some lacing there. How cool is that? When I pulled that out, that was cool. I think I'm done. Like, I really like this. I think it's really cool. These cells are amazing. Love that. These ones here are so cool. All right, I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. All right, let's see. Can you see that shimmer there? Whoop. Beautiful. Why does it keep not focusing? What in the world? Like when I try to move and there's a shimmer. Look at that. How pretty that is. Those cells. Love them. Bunch of funky ones there. But just look at them. so cool. But you guys all have to tell me what you think. I do appreciate you guys watching. Did you just see that? A bug just landed in there. Right there. You see him? Oh my gosh. Make it look like that's supposed to be. What? I can't believe there's a little fly in here. But anyway. Spring is in the air. The bugs are flying around. The gnats or flies. Look at that. So pretty. So much shimmer. It's going to be beautiful when it dries. I do thank everybody for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you will come back again. And like and subscribe and share and all that you know, jazz that we have to do to keep our channels growing. And I do appreciate all of your support. If you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you enjoyed it and we'll come back. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I put up my next videos. But I do thank everybody for joining me. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe and just healthy in general. And have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye.